Hi students, welcome to my channel. Last class we discussed about how to write the dimension for a given physical quantity. Now last class we written only few physical quantities. This class we can go for the still more physical quantities. Now we have to write the dimension for a given physical quantity means last class I told few rules, 3 rules to write a dimensional equation. Yes or no? This rules will be very important. We should write a dimension means we follow these rules. First rule is what? We should write the formula. We should write the formula for a given physical quantity. First, what you have to do? You have to write the formula for a given physical quantity. Second rule, what it says? Convert all the derived quantities into what? Fundamental quantities. We have to convert all the derived quantities into fundamental quantities. And third one, we should write a dimension in the form of what? M, L, T. Yes or no? We have to write a dimension in the terms of M, L, T. Yes or no? M, L, T. Now, this class, we can write the still more dimensions. First one, we can go for physical quantity. Next is what? Formula. Next is what? Dimension. And we can discuss unit also. Okay? We can make a table like this. Okay, last class I told after the completion of the class I give few physical quantities as a homework problem. Now, first we can see that physical quantities. First one is what? Speed. Okay, speed means what? Distance, total distance covered by time. Yes, speed how we are going to calculate? How much distance we are going to cover by time. No? That's why I am going to write speed, it will be S. Speed it will be S. Formula it will be what? Distance by time. Distance by time. Distance by time. Distance means what? Length only. Starting point and ending point. The distance means what? Length only. L by T. Time it will be T. Now there is no M term. Therefore we can write M over 0. Only L means that will be L power 1. This T will be in the denominator, comes to the numerator means what? Minus means T power minus 1. We are going to write inside the square bracket. M0 L1 T power minus 1. When you are going to write a unit, length you are going to measure in meter, time you are going to measure in seconds, means that will be what? Meter per second. Meter per second. This is what? Speed. Same way, we can go for velocity. Velocity symbol I am going to write V. Velocity means speed means distance by time. Velocity means displacement by time. Displacement by time. Displacement means what? Shortest distance. Yes or no? Displacement means shortest distance. That is also starting point and ending point length only. Length by time. The velocity is also same dimension only. M power 1. Sorry, M power 0. There is no mass term. Only length one term is there. This T comes to the numerator means what? Minus T power minus 1. T power minus 1. Unit it will be what? Meter per second only. Meter per second only. Next, third example. That's the third one. What do you take? Work done. Work done. I am going to write symbol. It will be W. Work done means what? Force into distance. Work done means what? Force into distance. Force means what? Mass into acceleration. That's a mass into acceleration into distance. Now see here, follow the rules. First we written the formula. Force into displacement. Next, convert all the derived quantities into fundamental quantities. Here force is derived. Displacement is fundamental. Displacement means length. Now force, I am going to write M into A. Mass into acceleration. Mass is fundamental. Acceleration is derived. This is fundamental. I'm going to keep as it is. Acceleration is derived. Yes, an acceleration is derived. Derived on I'm going to write acceleration is velocity by time into distance. Velocity by time into distance. Now, m into velocity is what? Displacement s by t into s. Yes or no? Now, m s square. Sorry, this is velocity by time. Again, displacement by time means this is t square. Time is there. Now, velocity again distance by time. Time into time is going to become time square. Now, m s square by t square. M means mass 1 ton is there. 1 ton. Mass 1 ton. S square displacement. Displacement means what? Length only 2 tons. L power 2. L power 2. This t square comes to the numerator as t power minus 2. This is what? Work done. M L square t power minus 2. When I am going to write the unit mass 1 ton kg, L square, length square, meter square, t power minus 2 per second square. Kg meter square per second square, or we can write work done in SI system, we can write joule. In SI system we can write joule. Clear? In this one we can easily follow the rules here. Work done. First I write the formula force into displacement. First rule is over. Second, what you have to do? We have to convert all the derived into fundamental. Force is derived. I am going to write the converting. Converting is what? Write the formula. Force mass into acceleration. Again m and s are fundamental. A is derived. Again I am converting velocity by time. Again velocity is derived. Again displacement by time. S ms by t square into s. Okay, clear? This is what dimension for work done. Means kg meter square per second square, or we can say that will be what? Joule. This one that will be joule. Same way. Next physical quantity. Next quantity we can take energy. Energy means here we can take kinetic energy or potential energy. Both it will be same. Kinetic energy or potential energy. Energy means kinetic energy or potential energy. Okay. When you are going to take the formula of kinetic energy, okay, just first I am going to take the formula of kinetic energy of mv square. Writing the formula is over. Okay. After writing the formula, convert all the derived into fundamental. Mass is fundamental. Velocity is derived. Velocity is what? Distance by time square. This square I am going to write. Now this is what? Half m s square by t square. Now numbers do not have the dimension. This is the limitation of dimension. We can't write the dimension for number. Mass only 1 ton. M power 1. Distance means length. How many tons? 2 tons. M L square. This t power 2 comes to the numerator means t power minus 2. Same. Work done and energy both having the same dimension. When you are going to write the unit, same unit. Kg meter square per second square, or we can write joule. Kg meter square per second square or joule. This is what? Energy. First we written for kinetic energy. Now same way we can see for potential energy. When I am going to write potential energy, mgh, mass, acceleration due to gravity, and h. M, acceleration means velocity by time. H means what? Height means distance only. Now again these three are fundamental. This will be derived. M, velocity means displacement by time. Time into time square into s. What is going to become? M s square by t square. Again same dimension, same unit. Clear? Energy, kinetic energy or potential energy or work done having the same unit and same dimension. Same unit and same dimension. Clear? Now, next we can take work done. Work done. Sorry, power. Power symbol capital P I am going to write. Power means what? Work done by time taken. Yes, sir. Power means what? Work done by time taken. Yes, sir. Work done by time taken. Now, no need of writing that again. Already we written for work done. No. Work done what? M1 L square T power minus 2. M1 L square T power minus 2 divided by time. Divided by time. This T power 1 no, comes to the numerator means minus 1. Minus 2 into minus 1. That is going to become what? Power it will be M1 L square T power minus 3. This is what? Work done. M1 L square T power minus 3. This plus 1 comes to the numerator. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 3. When I am going to write the unit, kg, length square means meter square per second cube. Kg meter square per second cube. Or we can write work done by time. Work done will be joule per second. Joule per second. Or in SI system we can call watt. Power is going to measure in watt. Clear? Yes, this will be what? Pressure. Okay. Next. Next one is momentum, or we can say linear momentum. Momentum or linear momentum. Momentum symbol it will be small p we are going to write. Momentum is what? Mass into velocity. Mass into velocity. Again this will be what? Mass. Velocity means distance by time, means it will be L by T only. When you are going to write the dimension, only one mass term, M power 1, only one length term, L power 1, time only, this comes to the numerator, minus 1. M1 L1 T power minus 1, mass, kg, length, meter, kg, time, kg meter per second. Kg meter per second. Next one, impulse. Capital I. Impulse means simple, the force acting on a short intervals of time. The force acting on a short intervals of time. Means impulse means force into time. Force into time. Now, no need of writing again. Force means already you know, conversion is over now. Force means M1 L1 T power minus 2. M1 L1 T power minus 2 into time T1 term means T means T power 1 minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 what? Minus 1 only. Now we are going to write the dimension for impulse M1 L1 yes sir M1 L1 T power minus 1 yes sir. Impulse means that will be M1 L1 T power minus 1. Yes, M1 L1 T power minus 1. Yes, M1 L1 T power minus 1. When you are going to write the unit, force is Newton. Force is Newton. Time is what? Seconds. Newton second. Newton second. Yes, force is Newton. Time is seconds. Yes, Newton second. Yes, Newton seconds. Next. We can take the next physical quantity, pressure. Pressure. Pressure means what? P. Force by area. Pressure means what? Force by area. Force means again no need of ink. writing the dimension. Force means m1 L1 t power minus 2. Area means length into breadth means that will be L square only. This L square comes to the numerator, L power minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. M1 L square comes to the numerator, minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. L power minus 1 t power minus 2. This is what? Pressure. When you are going to write the unit, okay, unit mass only one term, kg per meter second square. Kg per meter second square. Or we can write force is what? Standard unit Newton. Force is Newton. Area is what? Meter square. Newton meter square. Yes sir, Newton meter square. Yes sir, Newton meter square. Next one, surface tension. Surface tension. Surface tension. Surface tension, I am going to write S. Surface tension means that will be force by length. Surface tension means that will be force by length. Again we are going to write force m1 L1 t power minus 2. m1 L1 t power minus 2. Again L power 1. This plus 1 comes to the numerator. Minus 1, that is going to become what? 0. Means only one mass term, m power 1. This plus 1 comes to the numerator, minus 1, 0. L power 0, t power minus 2. T power minus 2. Clear? Yes, t power minus 2. Surface tension, we can write force is what? Newton. Length is what? Meter. Newton per meter. Newton per meter. Yes, Newton per meter. M1 L0 t power minus 2. Yes, M1 L0 t power minus 2. Next. Frequency. Frequency means what? Number of oscillations per second. F equal to 1 by t. Means there is no mass term, there is no length term. Means mass term will be 0, m power 0. Length is also no length, 0. This t comes to the numerator, minus t power minus 1. Unit per second, or we can write hertz. Unit we can write per seconds or hertz. This is per second or hertz. Next, stress. Stress means again same. Stress, yes, force by area only. Stress means force by area only. The same unit and same dimension. Stress. Okay, stress means force by area. Again we can write the same dimension, same unit for stress. Same way, strain. Strain means that will be change in dimension by original dimension. Change in dimension by original dimension. Okay, keep in mind, change means, strain means change in dimension by original dimension. Both numerator and denominator will be same only. For example, when I am going to take a rubber, when I am going to extend, what will happen? Length is going to be changes. Means change in length by original length. Clear? Strain ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಗ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಗ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಎಲಾಂಗೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲಾಂಗೇಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಲೆಂತ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಬೈ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ನ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಬೈ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್. ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಬೈ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಸೇಮ್, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಸೇಮ್, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. therefore no unit and no dimension. No unit, no dimension. No unit and no dimension. Clear? For strain there is no unit, no dimension. And one more, electric charge. Electric charge. Electric charge means when you remember the formula for current. Current means what? Rate of flow of charges Q by T. Rate of flow of charges I equal to Q by T means we have to write the dimension for charge. Charge Q is equal to I into T. I, electrical current, what's the dimension? A ampere. Time T. A power 1, T power 1. There is no mass, there is no length. A power 1, T power 1. This is the dimension for electric charge. Unit we can write electrical charge coulomb. SI unit we can write coulomb. Ampere second or coulomb. This one ampere second or coulomb. These are what? Dimensions. This one we have to write the dimension is, remember the 3 steps. After the 3 steps we can easily write the dimension for any physical quantity. Okay? In your board exam they will ask one more question. Give an example for dimensionless quantity. This one give an example for dimensionless quantity. Which one will be? Strain. There is no dimension. Okay? Strain. There is no dimension. Like that, one more questions also you can answer. Dimensionless quantity means what? Unit. Clear? Yes or not? Thank you. Now, keep in mind, these are the few physical quantities. I taken the example for how to write the dimension. Now, after your syllabus starts, means second chapter, next chapter onwards, any physical quantity comes in your syllabus, you can easily write the dimension. Not only this much, okay, still more physical quantities are there. ET is there, terminal velocity, yes or not? So many physical quantities will come. Moment of inertia, angular momentum, torque, yes or not? Angular momentum, torque, like this. So many physical quantities will come. You can remember how to write the dimension. Okay? When the chapter comes, you can only practice how to write the dimension. Yes, how to write the dimension. Clear? Thank you. Okay. See here, what we discussed till now in units and dimension chapter. Based on that, we can discuss few MCQ questions. Yes, we can go for the few MCQ questions. First question: Newton meter square per kg square. Yes, Newton meter square per kg square is a unit of. Yes, is a unit of. They give 4 options: surface tension, permittivity, gravitational constant, and torque. Yes, gravitational constant and torque. First one we can see surface tension means what? Formula force by length. Force by length. Force is Newton, length is meter. Is not a correct option. It's a wrong option. Okay, Newton meter square per kg square is only Newton per meter is there. Next, when you come to the permittivity. Permittivity means that will be Coulomb's law, that will be explained in chapter itself. But here we remember the formula F equal to 1 by 4 pi F naught Q1 Q2 by R square. Q1 Q2 by R square. This F naught is there, no? This one we are going to cut as what? Permittivity. F naught will be permittivity. Means Newton, when you are going to write the formula, what will come? Newton meter square per Coulomb square will come, not kg square. Here Newton meter square per kg square, here charges will come. When you take the permittivity, charges will come, means that will be Coulomb square. Clear? Clear? Force F equal to electrostatic force between the two charges, that will be Coulomb's law stated 1 by 4 pi F naught into Q1 Q2 by R square. F naught is the permittivity. F naught I am going to take this side. Yes sir. F naught I am going to take this side means what will become? F will comes to numerator. Means charges will comes in Coulomb. Okay, but here there is no Coulomb. That's why this is also wrong option. This is also wrong option. No. Gravitational constant. Yes, the gravitational constant. This gravitational force F equal to G into M1 M2 by R square. No? M1 M2 by R square. Now gravitational constant G is equal to what I will write? G is equal to this r square comes to this side, f r square, this m1 m2 comes to denominator, m1 m2. When you are going to write the unit, force is Newton, meters, distance is meter, meter square, mass into mass, kg into kg, Newton meter square per kg square. Means correct option is what? Gravitational constant. Yes, the gravitational constant is the correct option. Means we have to remember the formula, that's it. What to write the dimension? Unit means we remember the formula. Next one, when you come to the torque means force into perpendicular distance. Force into perpendicular distance again is what? Newton meter only. This is also wrong option. Option is what? Gravitational constant. Gravitational constant. Next, second question. Which of the following is not a derived unit? Yes, sir. Which of the following is not a derived unit? Four options they given: frequency, gravitational constant, Planck's constant, electric current. Frequency F means what? 1 by T. Planck's constant, already we know that E is equal to h nu. H is equal to what? E by mu. Okay, this is also derived only. Frequency F equal to 1 by T only, that is also derived. Gravitational constant G, that is also derived only. Electric current. They are not asking which of the following is not a derived. Is not a derived means what? Fundamental. Fundamental means, already you remember the table, only 7 physical quantities: length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, amount of substance and luminous of intensity. Out of that 7, remaining and all what? Derived only. Electric current will be there in the table. That's what electric current. Next, which of the following is not measured units of energy? Okay, is not measured as a unit of energy. Okay, no, is not measured as a unit of energy means what? We can check. Energy, for energy unit is what? Joule. For energy unit is joule. Otherwise, for a unit of energy we are going to write. Okay, already we know kg meter square per second square. Already written in dimension. Unit for energy is what? Joule or kg meter square per second square. Now, in these 4 options, which of the following is not measured as a unit of energy? We can check. Which of out of this, which one will not come kg meter square per second square? Now, couple and angle turned through. Couple and angle turned through. Couple means what? Force into distance. Force is what? Newton means mass into acceleration. Kg, this will be force, mass into acceleration. Acceleration is velocity by time. Again, displacement by time square. Means this will be kg meter square per second square. Couple, force into distance. Force into distance means again work done only. Keep in mind. Couple means formula, couple it will be simple. Force into perpendicular distance. Force into distance. Force into distance means work done. Work done having the units, work done and energy having the same unit. Work done and having the energy having the same unit. This angle turned through, angle theta, this no unit. Sorry. No unit and no dimension. No dimension. That's why this is will be unit of energy only. Now they are asking which is not measured as a unit of energy. No, that's why this will be unit of energy only. Okay, this is wrong option according to our question. Now, moment of inertia and angular velocity, square of the angular velocity. Moment of inertia means mr square. Formula it will be moment of inertia mass into square of the distance. Moment of inertia means mass into square of the distance. Angular velocity means angular displacement by time. Angular displacement by time means theta by t square. Again, mass kg, distance meter square per time square. This will be same. Again, this is also unit. This is also wrong option. Next, force into distance. Force into distance means what? Work done only same. This is also same, kg meter per second square only. Kg meter square per second square only. Force into distance, work done and energy having the same unit, again same dimension. Impulse. Next is what? Impulse into time. Yes, impulse into time. Impulse into time means what? Force into time. Impulse means what? Force into time. Into time, this is going to become what? Force into time square. Force into time square. Yes, force into time square means this is going to become what? Force means what? kg meter per second square into second square. Second square will cancel. That's why this is not a unit of energy. Yes, this is not a unit of energy. Yeah, impulse, force into time. Yes, force into time. Numerator force into time square. Force means what? Remember the formula. Kg mass into acceleration. Kg acceleration meter per second square. Second square will cancel. Only kg per kg meter. Only kg meter. But we have to get kg meter square per second square. Yes, kg meter square per second square. That's why this is the wrong option. This is not a unit of energy. Yes, this is not a unit of energy. That's why this is the correct option. This is not a measured as unit of energy means this one. Remaining are now what? Unit of energy only come. Kg meter square per second square will come. Next. Which of the following system is not based on the unit of mass, length and time alone? Unit of mass, length, time alone. When it comes to MKS system, mass measured in, length measured in meter, mass measured in kilogram, S measured, time measured in second. FPS system, mass measured in, length measured in pound, length measured in foot, mass measured in pound, time measured in second. CGS system, length measured in centimeter, mass measured in gram, time measured in second. That's why these three will be based on the mass, time and length only. Yes, the mass, time and length only. But this RS thing is not measured based on the unit of mass, length and time alone means what? SI system. SI system is not based on the mass, length and time. Remaining three and all it will be what? Based on mass, length and time. Next, last one. Here, which of the following pairs does not have a similar dimension? Which of the following pairs does not have a similar dimension? Means out of four, this one do not have a similar dimension. We can check. First one, stress. Stress means what? Force by area formula. Pressure means what? Force by area only. Therefore, these are in the same dimension. That's why this is the wrong option. Stress, force by area. Pressure is also force by area. Force by area formula is the same means we will get the same dimension. That's why it's not a correct option. Wrong option. Because they are asking does not have a similar dimension. They are asking. Next, tension and surface tension. Tension and surface tension. Tension means what? Force. Tension means what? Force. Surface tension means force by length. Okay, formula is different, means we will get the different dimension. That's why they are asking does not have a similar dimension means this is the right answer. This is the right answer. Yes? We will check other options also. Okay, while solving the CET problems, first we can come from first option like that. Okay, whichever option is correct, that will be the correct answer. No need of checking the remaining options also. We can cross check also. Idle means theta, no dimension. Strain means change in dimension by original dimension. Both are not having the dimension. That's why that's also wrong option. Next one, Planck's constant and angular momentum. Yes, Planck's constant and angular momentum. Planck's constant E is equal to h nu. Energy is equal to h nu. H is equal to E by nu formula. Energy by frequency. Energy by frequency. Angular momentum L is equal to I omega. Angular momentum L is equal to I omega. I means moment of inertia mr square. Omega means that will be theta by t. Omega means that will be theta by t. Means this one and this one it will be different units only. Yes, sir, different units only. Energy by frequency. Frequency means this will have what happens here. E. Frequency means 1 by t. This t will comes to numerator. E into t. Joule second will come. But this one, a mass, sorry. Energy, what will come? Kg meter square per second square into second means what? Kg meter square per second. This is what? Kg meter square per second. Yes, sir. Kg meter square per second. This is also same unit. This is also same unit. Clear? L is I omega. I means mr square. Kg meter square. Omega means what? Theta by t. T is what? Second. Kg meter square per second. Here, energy by frequency. Energy frequency means what? 1 by t. T will comes to numerator. Energy into time. Energy kg meter square per second square into second. What? Second only. That's why this is also having similar dimension only. But they are asking which of the following pair do not have a similar dimension. That's why this is also wrong option. Do not have a similar dimension means what? Tension into surface tension. Tension is force. Surface tension is force by length. Formula itself differentness, you will get a different dimension. Clear? Yes, I solved 5 problems as a MCQ in the beginning class. Okay, remaining 5 MCQs I will do the homework, solve it. Okay, later I will give the answers. Okay, these 5 questions you can go through it. 5 it will be I will give as a homework problem. Clear? Yes, this is based on what we discussed about units and dimension. I give you the few MCQs. Clear?